Hey, I'm Steve, and these are the CXWXC cycling gloves for men or women. I just got these in. I'm really looking forward to using these. Let me give you a little bit of close-up so in case you're looking at these gloves yourself, you can kind of get a good view of what you're getting. These gloves are breathable microfiber and the palms are gel padded. Everything looks good. They look to be well made, high quality, and they are comfortable. Now, I wear a size large in basically every glove that I've ever bought, so these seem to be true to fit. They fit me perfectly. These are the size large. You can see the sweat pad there on the back of the thumbs. They have the loops right there on the finger, and that helps you get the gloves off. That is a feature that I really like. Once your hands are sweaty, these kind of gloves sometimes are hard to get off, but not with those loops. So if you're looking at these particular gloves, I like them. I think you will too. So I hope you found my video helpful.